Now let's talk about my favorite eyeshadow palette. So मेरे वीडियो में मेरे इसके पहले वाले it's this it's the I don't walk out of house without it. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. तो आज हम बात करेंगे मेकअप अंडर 500 की, सारे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स अंडर 500 एंड ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बिगिनर फ्रेंडली हैं। तो आज हम बनाते हैं बिगिनर मेकअप किट जो 500 के अंडर है। विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। सबसे पहले बेस मेकअप की बात करेंगे तो हम फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट जो यूज करते हैं प्राइमर। तो ये है ब्लू हेवन का प्राइमर। इट हैज वेरी सिलिकॉनी फिनिश जो आपके पोर्स को ब्लर कर देता है एंड मेकअप स्लिप नहीं होता है। इसका टेक्सचर बहुत स्मूथ है। दिस इज हाउ दिस लुक्स। सो इट ब्लर्स द अपीयरेंस ऑफ पोर्स। ये स्किन को मैटिफाई भी कर देता है। ये इसका प्राइस है, इस पे जो MRP है वो 300 है एंड यू गेट इट फॉर 250 आई गेस। मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी, आप उसमें से देख। सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फाउंडेशन जाता है। सो दिस इज द फाउंडेशन Maybelline Fit Me मैट प्लस पोरलेस फिट मी फाउंडेशन, नॉर्मल टू ऑयली स्किन। सो दिस इज वेरी गुड फॉर इंडियन स्किन। This foundation gives a very medium to high coverage. So this is the foundation. As you can see, it's not very runny. बहुत liquidy भी नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा thick भी नहीं है. It's very fine and it blends like a dream. It's so easy to blend. Maybelline Fit Me वैसे तो उसकी costing 500 से थोड़ी सी ऊपर है, but whenever I buy it from Amazon, सिंस आई नो माई शेड पे ये मुझे 350-400 का मिल जाता है। तो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस कंसीलर, Maybelline Fit Me कंसीलर। सो दिस इज अ वेरी हाई कवरेज कंसीलर। आई हैव यूज्ड इट ऑन माई स्किन। कैन यू सी दिस? इट गिव्स यू अ वेरी हाई कवरेज एंड यू डोंट हैव टू अप्लाई अ लॉट ऑफ इट। बहुत थोड़ी सी क्वांटिटी में हो जाता है। I use shade light and this is my highlighting shade. So this will show you blend करके। So this is how this feels. बहुत अच्छे से blend हो जाता है। So next product on our list is, so I use the Sugar Contour de Force mini bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. This is so perfect for Indian skin tone. It works on all fair to medium skin tones and this blends so beautifully. See, I have used this today and this is a wonderful product and it does not cost a lot. Let me show you a swatch of bronzer. So this is the bronzer. Next is blush. So whenever I use powder blush, I use this Faces Glam On blush. This is how this looks. It's in the shade Hot Pink 02. This is such a beautiful blush. I have applied this today. I mostly did the makeup using these products only, so I could show you कि कैसा वर्क करता है। and this is so beautiful. It has a little bit of shimmer particles in it. Let me give you a swatch of this blush. It's very natural pink sort of blush. Next on our list is highlighter and I mostly use Maybelline highlighter, but since it was a little higher than 500, so I thought of including my new favorite, which is Pearl Illuminator Base by Swiss Beauty. And अगर आप मेरे वीडियोस देख रहे होगे तो आपको पता होगा that I fell in love with this product at first sight. यह प्रोडक्ट से फर्स्ट साइड पे प्यार कैसे होता है, आई डोंट नो, फर्स्ट यूज। The shine is so beautiful. Now let's talk about my favorite eyeshadow palette. In my Amazon mini haul video, which I will link here, ये आई बटन पे लिंक कर दूंगी मैं, and you can see my favorite right now for the eyeshadow palette is my palette. Look at the color, guys. These are such beautiful colors. And next eyeshadow is this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. This is such a gorgeous product. So this is the eyeshadow. Looks so gorgeous. And अगर आपको और जानना है इसके बारे में तो I will link the video in the I button. And next on our list is eyebrow pencil. I have two of my favorite. Sugar ka Arch Arrival. It does not have that very creamy consistency and it does not have a very waxy sort of feel. It is a mix of both, and I will take a picture of that product because I don't have it right now with me. So another one of my favorite eyebrow product is this brow gel by Essence Make It Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This is such an easy go-to product. Whenever you're going out, you want to do your eyebrows, you are in a hurry, you just apply it on your brows and you're done. And you can go out. And I do not go out without doing my eyebrows, so this is the purchase I made. I bought it from Flipkart. I think this product is not easy to get, so I will link alternatives of this product also. Next product is an eyeliner. Top 5 eyeliners which are in the shorts video. इसकी भी link यहाँ डाल दूँगी. And one of them I have right now is this Lakme Iconic eyeliner. This is so good. This is jet black and waterproof. Does not move. Even if you rub your eyes, it will not move. It is so good. Let me show you. It comes with a fine tip. It's not felt tip. You can make a very thin line with it or a very bold line. So it's your preference and it will work for both. This is the Lakme Iconic eyeliner. And next on our list is loose powder, which I've been using for last year. So this Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder in the shade medium is so finely made. You won't even feel that you've applied powder, and it will set your makeup like a dream. Almost 2 hours I've applied this makeup and there are almost none of the fine lines, and it is so finely milled. It does not feel that any powder is sitting on your skin. It is so good. And next up is Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara, and you get a non-waterproof formulation also. And as you can see, I have applied 2 coats of it. Eyelashes look so good today. I have not applied any eyeliner, so that you can see how long my lashes look. Second last product on our list is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. This is my second bottle of this product, and once you set your makeup with it, your makeup does not move. Like, it does not move. It will set your makeup in the place and your makeup won't. Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray is a gift for people who are sweaty, जिनके बहुत पसीना आता है, like me. मैं makeup बिल्कुल, मतलब गर्मियों में मेरा makeup लगाना is like such a waste of all the products because it just melts everything. Next are lipsticks. Lipstick number 1 is this Ellatine Color Pops Matte in the shade Mauve Date. I have told you all about my favorite lipsticks in the video. I will link them in the I button. This is a very beautiful shade and it only cost me around 90 rupees, and it is not a transfer proof lipstick. It will transfer, so you can make it matte by placing a tissue paper and adding a compact on it. Maybelline Loaded Bolts by Color Sensational in the shade Chocoholic, and here's the swatch. Looks so gorgeous, guys. Look at this. It looks like chocolate. So beautiful. So this is the shade. It's a very beautiful creamy matte from Maybelline. We are done with our video. I hope you like this video, and if अगर आपको पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा एंड कमेंट करके मुझे बताइएगा कि आपको पसंद आया कि नहीं आया. And also please subscribe to my channel because it means the world to me. I would love you guys to be a part of this community. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye. हमको सब्सक्राइब करिए. मेरा हैंडल है नेहा वैश 09.